Welcome once again. Today we are having a tutorial how to turn a black and white picture to a colored picture, just like what you're seeing on your screen. So this is the tutorial. Now my Photoshop is opened and this is it. So let me import the image that will extract, not really extracting, but to get our skin tone. Now I recommend this for you to get a picture of the skin tone you want. It will help you to give you a line instead of guessing. So that's what I am doing. Now this is the image, so just drag it to Photoshop. Yeah, drop it there. Yeah, just place it anywhere so that you can see. Yes, so now you click on that, the layer, click on the layer below and create a rectangle over it. Yeah, over it. Yeah, that's it. So in this rectangle, this is what you now do. This is where that image comes to play. Yeah, you now select your color. Now pick a color that has a deep or a saturated color. Don't go for a light color, it will not really help you. Okay, so I'm selecting my color. I like this color. Now you see, I like this color. So this image, now I duplicate it. So I'm working with the down one, Rexsolomon, making it an image. Yes, then you go to color, blend mode. You put the blend mode on color. So after putting a blend mode on color, the next thing you need to do is to separate your blacks from your whites. So you double tap, you enter your blend mode. Yeah, I'm just showing you two ways you can do. Okay, so that's the blend option. So you hold down alternative to break that. Yeah, you hold down alternative, you break it. Then the more you do, you'll be seeing that the blacks, that color is going out from the black. Yeah, it's because this image is already black and white. That's why you cannot really see it well. So I made a mistake there. Yeah, I'll break it again. So, but it's fine. The image is already black and white. So the thing is trying to do its calculation, but it's not really getting it right. But I like her skin tone like this. Her skin tone is fine by me. You know, you leave your white. Yeah. So okay. This will be fine after it's not going because it is a black and white image. So this is good. So at this point, what we need to do is to create a mask. You understand? Is to create a mask, an inverse mask, which is black. Yeah, you see, it's doing nothing. So you have to change your color to white, your brush color to white. Yeah, because your mask is black, your brush should be white. So now you go to your brush, so you have to be very accurate here. You know, for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want to stress things much, so I'm just doing a basic painting here. Yeah, I'm doing a basic painting here. Yeah, this, I guess the forehead is good, top of the face is good. So that's it. For those that doesn't know how to use the brush, how to go about brush, I'll still do an in-depth tutorial on how to use brush in the future. You will learn how to use brush very well. Then if there's any other tool in Photoshop that you don't know how to use, like you are not good with it, or you want to learn it, you can comment down in the comment section so that I'll do a tutorial on it and show you how to use it. See, I'm painting her hair. Now I want to remove it. Yes, I want to remove that thing I painted there. Yes, now you just change it to black because the mask is black. Anything that is black will not paint over. So that is it. So we'll continue. Now I use X. Just press X on your keyboard. It will change. This color will change. So That's it. So I believe that I believe that you guys are understanding what I'm doing here. Yeah. So yeah, I don't want to I don't want to speed up this video. I just want to keep it like this so that you can see any error I do, you can see and know how I fix the error. So yeah, so your skin is now coming alive. So I go to the ear, now the hair. If you notice, some part of the hair I paint over is because, like I said, I don't want to really, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just keep things normal. Understand? But you take your time. This process will take a lot of time, just like retouch. You understand? It will take a whole lot of time, just like you're retouching the image. So this is it. Like all this white, I did not go to balance this exposed shots here. I'm supposed to balance it so that we have a uniform color and also shaping the light to a direction. You understand? But I'm not going for that. Maybe that will be a tutorial. If you people really want to know how I can nail down this to shaping the light, you comment on the comment section. I will do well to do the tutorial with this same image so that you see it. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, we are still painting. Yeah, so you have to bring down your brush size because that place is narrow. Yeah, that place is narrow. Okay, so I'm even painting in a clothes self because of this tutorial. So that is what you can do. Stay tuned, there is more things. There is something else I want to do on this image. Yes, now how I got her lips. You also like that part of the video. Yeah, you keep brushing. Yeah, keep brushing. Yeah, I'm just trying to fill up. Wow, it's a mistake there, sorry. Okay. Yeah, so I want to duplicate. So yeah, I keep brushing. Now I want to duplicate this image so that I will make a lips. That's lips. What they call it? A pink lip for her. Yeah, you see, I'm removing the color there. Though, like I said, what I'm doing here is basic. So if you are doing yours, you'll be careful. So you see, I'm removing the colors. So yeah, I'm going to duplicate this particular layer. Just duplicated it. So now I want to use my hue and saturation to give it a color I want. Yeah, okay, I guess this color is good. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, I'm going for a pink. Yeah, this is good for me. So you see, it's affecting, so I need to delete this marks here. I need to delete it. Yeah, so I hold down alternative and create another marks. So you see, I'm painting the pink lips. So I'm painting her pink lips. So you see it now. That's her pink lips. So now I want to make it more saturated. So just trying out different things. Let me see what works. Yeah. So feel free to experiment, you see. Just feel free to experiment. Yeah. I'm over exaggerating this just for the sake of this tutorial. So here now, I need to come here and give it a saturation so that it will come to life. So now what I'm doing now is I'm balancing her skin to what I feel is good. So now I adjust it. So this is just the basic thing I do. So let me group and show you the before and after. That's the before and after. Before and after. So that's just it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I have a lot of Photoshop tutorial. Just go into my playlist. You'll see a playlist of the softwares I do tutorial on. Then you learn all those. You can also change the hair with this same method. Duplicate that layer, the first layer. Then you can change anything. I can change her clothes to blue. I can change to green. I can change to anything. So that is just it. Thank you. Stay tuned. You can watch my next video, link in the description. Thank you.